Good morning, dear students. Today we are starting chapter number 14, modal verbs, and I have already told you auxiliary verbs. Read the following sentences. For example, Taylor is stitching the clothes. He has done his work. Did he go there? Question mark. I can do this work. You must do this work. In this first three sentences, Taylor is stitching the clothes. He has done his work. Did he go there? In the first three sentences, the verb is the verbs are is, has, and did are the forms of auxiliary, primary auxiliary verbs. Okay, dear students, be, have, do. These are the kinds of be, have, do. Be की जो kinds of auxiliary verbs हैं is, them, are, was, were, and has, have, had, and do, did, does. Okay, these kinds of auxiliary verbs are used here. And in the sentence number 4, I can do this work, and in the fifth sentence, you must do this work. Okay, dear students, in the sentences 4th and 5th, the auxiliaries are can and must, and they are called modal auxiliaries. Okay, dear students, so what is an auxiliary verb? An auxiliary verb is a verb that helps other verbs to form tense, mood, and voice. An auxiliary verb is a verb that helps other verbs to form tense, mood, and voice. And now we will study the kinds of auxiliaries. Okay, dear students, the kinds of auxiliaries. Auxiliary verbs are of two kinds. Okay, basic or primary auxiliaries. Be, have, do. Okay, dear students, and second kind of verb, modal auxiliaries. Okay, in the above sentences we have read about the basics and modal auxiliaries. Okay, basic or primary auxiliaries be, have, do. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू बी की कौन कौन से मतलब उसके काइंड्स हैं, किस तरह की उसमें वर्ब्स आती हैं. इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर, एंड हैव में हैव हैड, एंड डू में डिड, डज, और. Okay, dear students, and modal auxiliary verbs can, could, shall, should. In the sentence number 4th and 5th, modal auxiliary verbs are used. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood. Modal auxiliary verbs. The modal auxiliary verbs do not have s forms, ing forms, and ed or ed participles. The modals can, may, shall, will, have, past forms, could, might, should, would. Can की past form could, may की might, and shall की should, and will की would. These are the past forms of these modal auxiliary verbs. The other kinds of modals, must, dear, need, ought to, used to, do not have such forms. Okay, dear students, they are used with the main verbs to form sentences. Okay, the modal express ideas such as ability, possibility, permission, obligation, etc. So you have to read about it, and you have to read this table also. Positive and negative forms, you have to read it, and you have to keep in mind the positive, negative, and contracted negative. Okay, dear students, these are the short forms we can say here. Can, negative form cannot, and short form we can say can't. Could, couldn't, could not, short form contracting negative couldn't. We can say it couldn't, right? We can write it couldn't. And okay, dear students, so you have to read about it, and tomorrow we can we will learn the usage and application of the modal verbs. Okay, dear students, thank you.